Hello everyone and welcome to the INFINOX Market Insights with me, Richard Perry, analysing markets for INFINOX on Monday the 17th of May. Now, moving into the session, little bit of a mixed sentiment, nothing too decisive in terms of direction, slight hints of the renewing dollar downside that had been taking hold at the back end of last week. That's sort of filtering a slight amount through the European session as we progress, but nothing decisive yet. Now, with regards to data points we're looking out for today, we've got the regional Fed surveys which start to kick in, I think, in the next few days. We've got the New York Fed survey today, which is expected to just roll over slightly. So I'm going to be looking out for that and how that impacts on market sentiment. And the back end of this week, the main focus will be the flash PMI data. Now, we've also got a couple of Fed speakers to watch out for today, Richard Clarida and Raphael Bostic on the agenda. Now, with regards to markets moves, tending to be a little bit of a hint of positive sentiment starting to sort of take back on again, but still decisive moves are not really there in the markets yet. So with regards to the INFINOX support and resistance table, that is the end of the video, and it's always good for levels, I think. So looking out for the charts, we've got charts on Eurodollar, which again is slightly hinting higher, but it's just paused a little bit today, but I still think the track tends to be higher. Also on FTSE 100, renewed upside moves on equities in the last couple of days, and a little bit of the pause button hit on that, but you'd still be looking out, I think, for weakness as a chance to buy. That's what I'm looking out for anyway. And with regards to gold as well, a big breakout on gold, again moving through the 1850 area, looking at the next level of resistance at 1875. So let's have a look at these charts. And moving on to the INFINOX MT5 platform now, you can see that Eurodollar renewed the upside move on Friday with a strong bull candle, really did push higher. Little bit of a pause this morning as we've started to once more approach this 2180 area of resistance that we saw early last week. You'd be still thinking that any weakness on Eurodollar, I think, is a chance to buy with that breaking move above 120 big figure holding, and also then 120.50 holding as well. So you're getting higher lows and pushing towards that resistance. I think you'd be looking at weakness as a chance to buy. Looking at the 4-hour chart, it's just, I mean, it's a fairly mixed 4-hour chart actually, if you come out slightly, but in terms of momentum, but you are trading above moving averages and you are on a net basis, I think, rising. So you'd be looking at using, I think, weakness possibly towards the 21 area, 21 figure, but anything above, I think, 2170 to 21 figure area as a basis of support, I think looks to be a fairly decent buying opportunity. And the key breakout that I've got here is on gold. Another move to the upside. Strong candles in recent days have really pushed the market through that resistance at 1845. And if I come out here, we're now starting to come into the realms of this downtrend here. We've got the strong uptrend channel intact, and that's coming to meet that downtrend channel. So it's going to be a really interesting moment. How does gold react around that level? Because breaking through 1845, you really do come through to the 1855 level of resistance, which has been broken today, but then onto 1875, and that is well on course to a breakout of that downtrend. So with the strength of the momentum, really strong RSI momentum, still pushing towards the high 60s and towards 70, I think weakness is a chance to buy. It's looking strong. So you've got this nice basis of a breakout. 1830 to 1845 is good support now, and to use for weakness as a chance to buy. And finally on FTSE 100, uptrend channel is intact. Strong bull candle on Friday, actually a good reaction on Thursday to early weakness. And it's interesting that you've got this uptrend channel coming into support here, but also equally looking at the strength of the momentum as well. Anything back towards 50 looks to be a buying opportunity on FTSE 100. I think the basis of support is certainly seems to be that rising 21-day moving average on a closing basis anyway seems to be a good basis of support. So any dip back towards there seems to be an opportunity. Zoom out on that 4-hour chart. You can see here a basis of a breakout and a move that's held the support initially around 70.30, but I think anything around that 7,000 area seems to be sort of opportunities to buy on that daily chart. That would be the 21-day moving average at 69.80 area. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it informative for your trading. Join me again on Wednesday, where we'll be looking at the development of these markets through the week and whether the dollar continues to weaken. So I will leave you with the INFINOX support and resistance table, and I'll speak to you then. Thank you very much.